Welcome to Arochukwu space. Join us on this road tour of this road that connects AVINA filling station through Winners Chapel down to with Goldie Theological School. Today is the 31st of March 2025 and we decided to visit this new road. It has been a road that has been talked about so much, and we decided to bring this road Komaro Vukwanu Agozade. The road is connecting AVINA filling station through Winners Chapel down to Goldie Theological School. If you know this road before, you know that this road was a very bad road. So we want to, at this point, especially appreciate our brothers and sisters who must have attracted the construction of this road. It's an internal road, but it's a very important road. This road also connects to where you get the Toka stable water. And as you can see, there are various houses around here. And these people have been experiencing bad road until now, when this road has been constructed. We're still going down, and from there you get to Goldie Theological School, which is a very important school here in Arochukwu Theological School. Thank you for watching.